Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel subscription on Headspace. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To cancel your Headspace subscription, go to the subscription settings on your platform that you use to sign up. Through your account on the Headspace website, the settings in the mobile app, or directly through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The method varies depending on where you're subscribed. So if you subscribe directly via the Headspace website, log into your account on the website, go to the subscription management or account subscription section, and then click on the option to cancel your membership or turn off auto renewal. On the application itself, open the application, head on to the profile tab, and then click on the settings gear icon and tap on account and subscription. And this is where you will get an option to cancel it, but I don't have a subscription, so it's not right there. If you subscribe through the Apple Store, then open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap your name at the top, go to subscriptions, select the Headspace subscription and tap cancel subscription. And finally, if you did it through the Google Play Store, open the Google Play Store app, tap the menu icon, go to the account and then subscriptions, find the Headspace subscription and tap cancel subscription to confirm. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.